Hello friends! Today I'm going to show how to design and then assemble this wonderful frozen theme cake topper. Let's start it. Our first step is to create a design in Cricut Design Space, and this is how it looks. In this box I have collected all the elements that I use in my design. I wrote down their numbers and it will help you to easily find them in the image library. Now I will repeat with you the whole process step by step. We will start with the snowflake. Click on the image, then enter the number of our snowflake, which I showed you earlier. It will be the basic of our topper, and we will attach all other elements to it. Now we will create layers for our base and use offset tool, changing the color of snowflakes. We have a hole left in our layer. If we click contour, we can hide it. Then adding one more layer, as we did before. Now we get down to our shaker pot. Click on Shapes tool and choose Circle. We add the second circle with Offset tool. We duplicate bottom layer, then select two circles and click Slice. So this is how we got the layers we needed for the shaker topper. Change the black circle to the light purple, then ring to the dark purple, and this circle will be our acetate film. Our next step will be creating a number. Click Text and choose Font Copper Plate, and customizing the size we need. I took the image of Olaf from the Cricut library. It cost me $1.99. We also set up size and add additional layer. We repeat the same steps with ribbon. These are the main points when creating a design. And now let's start assembling the topper. This is what our project looks like already in a real form on paper. I always start assembling the topper from the small parts, like numbers, letters. In my design, I like to make the basic details more voluminous. To do this, I make several layers and attach them with foam tape. Here I show how I assemble the shaker part of our topper. I cut the foam tip to the size I need. When I finished with the tape, I add sequins and glitter. And this is how our shaker part looks like in the end. Now I will do embossing with my physics machine. On my channel you can find a playlist where I collect tutorials how to make a cake toppers, and I show you all process step by step in detail. Now we have reached the point where we need to attach the stick to the base of our topper. We fix the stick with a hot gun. Trying on places for our figures. And now our shaker topper is ready. Subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.